Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're diving into the characteristics of russet potatoes, exploring their texture, flavor, and common culinary uses. Let's get started. Russet potatoes are known for their unique texture. They have a thick, rough skin that becomes beautifully crispy when baked or fried. Inside, they have a light and fluffy texture that makes them perfect for mashing or baking. When it comes to flavor, russet potatoes have a mild, earthy taste. This versatile flavor profile makes them an excellent base for a variety of dishes, allowing them to absorb and complement different seasonings and ingredients. Russet potatoes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Here are some of their most common uses. First, baking. Their high starch content and fluffy texture make them ideal for baking. A classic baked potato with its crispy skin and soft interior is a favorite comfort food. Second, mashing. Russet potatoes mash beautifully, creating a smooth and creamy consistency perfect for mashed potatoes. Frying. Whether it's crispy French fries or delicious hash browns, russet potatoes fry up perfectly. Roasting. Their ability to absorb flavors makes them great for roasting with herbs and spices. In addition to their great taste and versatility, russet potatoes are also nutritious. They are a good source of vitamin C and B6, potassium, and fiber. Incorporating them into your meals can provide essential nutrients for a balanced diet. Russet potatoes are a staple in many kitchens due to their texture, flavor, and versatility. Whether you're baking, mashing, frying, or roasting, they can elevate any dish. Stay tuned for more tips on growing and using russet potatoes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening and cooking tips. Happy gardening and happy cooking!